Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up two-step verification on your Viber account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings by clicking this icon here. Next, we're going to select the second option that we have, privacy. And as you can see, the second option that we have here is two-step verification. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And in order to have two-step verification, you have to add a PIN code that you will, when you open your app, will pop up. You would have to enter your PIN code to access this app on your phone or desktop or anything. So now let's set the PIN code. For example, let's set it to 6 zeros. Now we're going to click on next. Now you have to re-enter your PIN code. And you're gonna have to enter your recovery email address. That's gonna be used to reset your PIN if you forget it. So now we're gonna click on, mine is automatically added. We're gonna click on next, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.